जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं. Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. I hope you all are well. Now in today's lesson we are covering a song request, and this is a very popular one, Shayad from the movie Love Aaj Kal. So I hope you guys must be waiting for this song, and if you are, then you take out your uke, tune it in standard tune, and let's start with the lesson. So now let's talk about chords, and to play this song we'll be needing 4 chords, and these chords are chord D minor, chord F, chord C and chord G. So now let's learn how to play these chords. To play chord D minor, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and your ring finger on 2nd fret 3rd string. And chord D minor should sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord F should sound like this. To play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string, and chord C should sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G should sound like this. So guys, now let's discuss strumming pattern, and in this song we are using a very easy strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So guys, you understood the strumming pattern, and now it's time to practice it. So I would recommend that you hold all 4 chords one by one and you start practicing this pattern. So start with chord D minor and you play this pattern 4 times, for instance. Then you move to other chord, so chord C. Okay, then you repeat the same exercise on chord G and chord F. So now let's discuss different sections of this song. So this song has 2 major parts. So the first part is verse, and in verse part we'll be using chords in this order. So we'll start with chord D minor, then chord C, then chord G, then chord C again, and then chord D minor. Okay, and you start playing it like this. Okay, so what we did here on chord D minor and chord C, we played this pattern 2 times each, and on chords G, chord C, we played this pattern once, and then we ended on chord D minor and we played a single downstrokes. So the next part of this song would be chorus, and to play chorus part we'll be using chords in this order. So chord D minor, chord C, then you again play chord D minor, chord C, then chord F, then chord C, and then you end on chord D minor. Okay, so when you play it, it should sound like this. Okay, so we did the same logic here. We start with chord D minor and we play our pattern 2 times. Okay, so then chord C. So 2 times again on chord C, then you have to repeat the same thing. So D minor, chord C 2 times each. Then you play chord F 1 time. Then you go to chord C. Then you play it 1 time. And then you move to chord D minor. Okay, and you play our pattern 1 time, and then you end with a single downstroke. So guys, again, when we'll be playing this song in the song play part, I will be giving you all instructions so you can easily relate things, and that will again help you to play this song with more confidence. Now guys, to play this song, I'll be using a CAPO and placing it on first fret like this. Now in case you don't have it, then you can play this song without CAPO. That's not a mandatory thing, but again, if you want to play around with your scale, you want to sing on a higher scale than me, or if you want to adjust your pitch, then you should need a CAPO. I think you can easily buy it from Amazon or any other shopping site, and that should work for you. Alright, so as we understood everything, now it's time for the song play, and I wish you good luck, and let's get started. शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद, शायद मेरे ख्याल में तुम एक दिन मिलो मुझे कहीं पे गुम शायद, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज़्यादा, तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज़्यादा, तुमसे कम नहीं। शायद कभी न कह सकूं मैं तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद. So guys, I'm sure you must have liked this lesson. Please subscribe to ukeguide, and I'll assure you that I'll keep on coming up with amazing lessons like this in future. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.